First and foremost, we understood what is a equation. A equation is a statement that says two algebraic expression are equal and is satisfied only for certain values. Okay, so its equation is that it is a two algebraic expressions which has equal to in between, and that equations or those equations can be satisfied only by certain values. Not all the values can be considered, only certain values can be considered and solved. Okay, so in simple words, equations will signify the relation between two algebraic expression with the sign of equality in between. So the equation will have two sides. To your left hand side or to your left is called as left hand side. In short form, it is called as LHS. And to the right of yours is called as right hand side, which is in short called as RHS. So this is equation. Now coming to degree of equation, the highest power which is present or which is involved in the equation is called as degree of equation. Now here if you see the first example, the highest power for x is 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. So that is your first point. And then if you see the other examples, you have x square, x to the power 7. So here the highest power is square, that is 2, and the other highest power is 7. So the degree of equation will be 7 here. Okay, so this was only one variable. If you see here, throughout all the three examples, there is only x which is been present, so it is only one variable. When it comes to two variables, it is x as well as y. So here x as well as y, the power of both is only 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. Similarly, if you take the second equation, the highest power in the whole equation is 2. Y is for the power of 1. Okay, so that is why the degree of equation is 2. Any variable which has the highest power, that highest power will be the degree of the equation. And if you see the last equation here, so this last equation power is 4. So the degree of equation is 4. Next, coming to the roots of equation. Now here, whatever variable that is unknown to us, that is either it is x or y. If you see here, x and y both are unknown to us. If you see these three examples, we do not know what is x and we are supposed to find the x. So these x here in the three equations and x and y here are the roots of the equation. So if we find out the roots of the equation, it means that we will be able to get the answers correctly. Okay, and there are two theorems here. So any of the equation will have at least one root. So any equation with one variable, so minimum is one variable. So at least x we will be able to find in an equation. Okay, the highest root that an equation can have, the highest root that the equation can have will be the number of unknown roots that the equation has. Okay, coming to the first form of equation, that is linear equation. Now in this linear equation, the equation will be in the form of ax plus b. Now here a is a constant. Constant means number. Okay, a will be a number, b is also a constant, so it will also be a number, and x is called as variable. Now variable will be unknown, we have to find the variable. Okay, so linear equation will, the highest power in the linear equation is 1. So for the variable, when there is a power, that is supposed to be 1, and here they have not given anything to x, which means x to the power 1. Okay, so that is the form of equation for linear equation. So here the equation will be of the first degree, or x to the power 1 if you have, then it is called as linear equation. And one more condition to be satisfied is that a should not be equal to 0. Okay, this variable this constant should not should never be 0, because if a is equal to 0, then the whole equation doesn't make any sense. So that is why a should not be equal to 0. This is for one variable. Now for two variables, if you see here, we have x and we have y. So a and b both are constants, and these both a and b should not be equal to 0. Only in this case, you will be able to understand how the equation is formed. Clear? Now, linear equations are known as simple equations. And then we went on to the properties of linear equations, that it will have a fixed assigned value for the equations of this form. And when the equations are in this form, it is called identity, and you can assume any value of x and then solve the equation. Okay, and then the first side of the equation, if you see here, 5x plus 7 is called as LHS, and 17 is called as RHS. Okay, and solution of the equation will have a unknown variable which we will be finding out in the equation. Then a simple equation with one variable. Now here there is only one variable x, so which means we will have only one answer, x is equal to 2. Now if we have more than one variable, we will have more than one answer. So these are few properties of linear equation, and we also saw few rules for solving. Now how do we simplify the equation, and how do we transfer the equation from one side to another? If at all one side, on one side if you have plus, then if you take it to the other side, it is going to become minus. And if you have minus on one side, if you take it to the other side, it becomes plus. And if you, the same thing, if you have multiplication and you take it to the other side, what will it become? Can anybody say me that? Division. Good. And what will happen if division is on one side? If division is here and I want to take it to the other side? Multiplication. So everybody is clear with this part. Okay. And this form of taking from one side to other by reversing the signs is known as transpositioning. Okay. The process of taking the numbers or the variables from one side to other by reversing the sign is known as transpositioning. And then we will have the constants, we'll have the variables, and we are going to solve the equation. Okay. Now, after this, we went on to solve the problems. Now, give me a minute. I'll just set up things and then we will start with the problems. Continue. Now, previous class, we were supposed to solve this problem. We started and we left until there, right? So, let us complete this problem and then we will go to the next problem. Okay. Now, here they're asking us to solve for x, where 7 into x minus 3 minus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay. So here first we are supposed to multiply and take out the brackets, correct? So what we are going to do is 7, see, first we will take out the brackets for this. So you are supposed to multiply the number with each of them. So 7 into x will give you 7x, and then 7 into minus 3. Okay, you are supposed to take the whole number here. 7 into minus 3 will give you minus 21. Okay, so here you have plus and you have minus. So plus into minus is minus. Okay, so 7x minus 21. So this is what we get when we remove the brackets for this expression. Okay, now let us go and remove the bracket for the next expression, that is minus 3 into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4. Now here minus 3 into x will give me minus 3x, and then minus 3 into 4, minus 3 into 4 is gonna give me minus 12. Sorry for that. Okay, minus 3 into 4 will give me minus 12. So this is the final expression that I get. So let us write this down here. So this is gonna become minus 3x minus 12. Okay, minus 3x and minus 12. I'll just erase this part here. Okay, minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 7 on the other side will remain as it is. Okay, 7 on the other side will remain as it is. So did you understand the first step? Okay, 7x. Okay, let us continue. Now going to the next step. Now we have removed all the brackets. Now that what is required is only simplification. So we are supposed to find the value of x here. So let us go on and simplify. Now if you see, we have 7x and minus 3x. Okay, so we have 7x minus 3x. So 7x minus 3x, how much will you get? 7 minus 3 is 4. 4x, not 5, it's 4. Okay, 7x minus 3x is 4x. So what we are going to do is we will be taking 4x here. It is plus 4x. Okay, it's not minus, it's plus 4x. Then coming to the next numbers, minus 21. First is minus 21, then minus 12. Now minus into minus is plus. Okay, minus into minus is plus. So here what you are supposed to do is minus 21. Even if you calculate in the calculator, minus 21 minus 12, it is gonna give you minus 33. Very good. Okay, it is gonna give you minus 33. So 4x minus 33 is equal to 7. Okay, 4x minus 33 is equal to 7. Good, I'm getting answers. Yes, Yashaswini, the answer is correct. Okay, now what is the next step? I'll keep 4x here only, and I'm going to take minus 33 to the other side. Now, if I take minus 33 to the other side, 7, if I take minus to the other side, what will be the answer? Plus 33. Very good. So, plus 33. Fine. Now, 4x is equal to 7 minus 33 will give me 40. 7 plus 33 will give me 40. Now, my next step, x is equal to 40. Now, I'm supposed to take 4 to the other side, which will become division. 40 by 4. Okay, 40 by 4. And what will be my answer finally? X is equal to 4 ones are 4 tens are. So x is equal to 10. So I found out the value of 10. Understood? Yes, good. Many of them gave me the answers. Many of them have solved the answers also. Good, very good. So did you understand the problem? Okay, can we go for the next problem? Now here if you see the first part of the problem, see if you compare the previous problem and this problem, the problem until 7, okay, the problem until 7 is same. After that, okay, wait a second. Okay, the problem until 7 is same, and after that this 2 into 3x plus 8, that is the extra term which has been added. Okay, so let us try and solve this problem. So first, as usual, we will remove the brackets. So 7 into x minus 3. So 7 into x is 7x minus 7 into minus 3 will give me minus 21. So that is the first part. 7 into minus 7 into x is 7x, and 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. Now let us go to the next expression. Minus 3 into x plus 4. Minus 3 into x plus 4. So minus 3 into x will give me minus 3x. Okay, minus 3x. Minus 3 into plus 4 is nothing but minus 12. Minus 12. Everybody is clear until here? Everybody understood until here? Okay, so this is your LHS. Okay, so this is your LHS. Now let us go to the RHS part. Let us go to the RHS part. Now RHS, there is 7. 7 is a constant. So we will keep that 7 as it is. Okay, so 7 is a constant. Then going further, we have 2 into 3x minus 8. 2 into 3x minus 8. Good, Spurti. Spurti got the answer. Okay. So 2 into 3x. 2 3s are 6. So 6x. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 and x will remain as it is. Then 2 into minus 8. So 2 into minus 8. 2 8s are 16. And since it is minus 8, it is minus 16. Minus 16. Do not forget the sign. Okay, it is minus 16. Okay, so this is your RHS. We got or we defined LHS and RHS. Now let us just simplify it quickly. Okay, 7x minus 3x. How much do you get? 4x. 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x. Aina's x is not only 12, it is supposed to be minus 12. Okay, please check the signs. Signs are very important. Okay, 4x minus minus 21 and minus 12 is nothing but minus 33. From the previous problem, it is the same thing. Now is equal to, on to the other side, if you see, you have plus 7 minus 16. Okay, plus 7 and minus 16. How much do you get? 7 minus 16, how much do you get? Minus 9? Seven is plus, okay? So 7 minus 16 is 9. And for the bigger number, there is minus sign. So take that minus down. So 6x minus 9. That will be the expression. Okay. Now going on further, next step. Now I can take 4x to the other side. I can take the 4x to the other side, or I can take 6x to other side. Any one thing I can do. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's take 6x to the other side, which means 4x If 6x comes to the other side, it is going to become minus 6x. Correct? Minus 6x is equal to 33. If I get to the other side, it's going to become plus 33 minus 9. Okay, plus 33 minus 9. Very good. Now, here what 4x minus 6x is minus 2x. 4x minus 6x is minus 2x is equal to 33 minus 9 is 24. Good. 33 minus 9 is 24. So minus 2x is equal to 24. Now, next, x is equal to 24 divided by minus 2. Okay, 24 divided by minus 2, which is nothing but my total value of x is going to be 1s 12s. So since there is minus 2 here, so I am supposed to take it as minus 12. So x is equal to minus 12. Everybody got the answer, minus 12? Anybody has doubts until here? Can we go to the next problem? Okay. Now, can you people try this problem? Instead of x, we have a. Try this problem. I'll give you 2 minutes. How much ever you can, you solve. After that, I will solve it. Oh, somebody is very quick. Lakshmi got the answer. Sorry. Lakshmi got the answer already. Are you sure it is 8? Minus 8? Everybody is getting minus 8? Okay, so let's see. Let us solve and see it. Okay, so first expression is 2 into a plus 3. So 2 into a is, okay, now there are few new answers. Okay, we will solve and see what is the answer. Fine. So 2 into a is 2a. 2 into 3 is 2 threes are 6. Okay, this is onto one side. Then onto the other side, I will keep 10 as it is because it is a constant. Okay, you cannot do anything with the 10 as of now. Later we will simplify. Then plus, I have another expression 4 into a minus 8. Okay, so 4 into a is 4a. Oops, sorry. 4 into a is 4a. 4 into minus 8. 8 fours are 32. Since we have minus 8, it is minus 32. Okay. So everybody got the first step correct? Everybody got the first step correct? Okay, now coming to the next step, I will keep 2a plus 6 as it is. And here if you see, you have 10 minus 32. Now what will be the total? 10 minus 32 is minus 22. Very good. So 4a minus 22. So this is my next step. Okay. Then after this, going to the next step, I will take 4a to the other side. So 2a minus 4a is equal to minus 22 plus 6. If I take it to the other side, it will become minus 6. So minus 22 minus 6 is remaining. Now 2a minus 4a. Okay, now we are getting the new answers because many of you told it is minus 8. It is not minus 8. Okay, so 2 minus 4 is minus 2a is equal to minus 22 minus 6. How much do we get? Minus 22 minus 22 minus 6, which is nothing but you're supposed to add both of them. If you add both of them, you will get minus 28. Okay, this is where you people went wrong. Is this the place where you people went wrong? Whoever gave me answer as minus 8? Yes. So please understand where you might make mistakes and be careful. Especially in this chapter, be careful of the signs. Plus and minus matters a lot. Okay, so when you have minus and minus, you're supposed to add the numbers, but the sign will be minus. Okay, so minus 28. Now a is equal to minus 28 divided by minus 2. Okay, minus 28 divided by minus 2. Here minus and minus will get cancelled because they are in numerator and denominator. Okay, if I have minus and minus like this, I cannot cancel like how it is in this step. Okay, since it is in the division format and it's in the numerator and denominator, I can cancel the minus. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So a is equal to 14. That is the answer we require and we got it. Understood? Also understood where you people went wrong? What is the mistake you people made? So you'll have to be careful while solving with the sign. Can we go for the next problem? One more problem. Okay, so this is the next problem. We are supposed to solve for y. We have to find out the value of y. So we will take each and every expression and then we will solve it. So that will make things easier for us. So first expression, 3 into y minus 3. Okay, so 3 into y is nothing but 3y. 3 into minus 3, what will it become? 3 into minus 3. Quickly give me an answer. Minus 9. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Then that is first expression. Now let us go to expression number 2 on the left hand side, that is minus y plus 2. Now when you have nothing here, it means there is 1 which is available. Okay, so minus 1 into y. minus 1 into y is nothing but minus y, or minus 1y also you can write. There is no problem. So let us write 1y so that you are not confused. Okay, minus 1 into y, minus 1y. Next, minus 1 into 2 is supposed to give me minus 2. Minus 1 into 2 will give me minus 2. So this is your LHS. Any doubts in the two expressions? Okay, now let us go for RHS. Now RHS, the first expression is 5 into y minus 2. 5 into y is 5y. 5 into y is 5y. Next, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Okay, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Correct? So that is the first expression. Now coming to the next expression, minus 6 into y minus 2. So here minus 6 into y is minus 6y. Minus 6 into minus 2. I told you minus into minus is plus. Correct? Minus into minus is plus. So now what we will do is 6 2s are 12. Since minus into minus is plus, we will go with plus 12. Understood? Everybody understood this step? Few of them got confused with minus 12, right? You're supposed to go with plus 12. So everybody understood the first step? Okay. Now, next steps is only simplification. Let us do the simplification. Now, here you have 3y minus 1y. How much do you get? 2y. You get 2y, correct? So, okay, I'm getting few answers. Please wait. We will just quickly solve this. Okay, so we have 2y. Then we have minus 9 minus 2. Now, when it comes to addition subtraction, please add the numbers but retain the sign. Okay, add the numbers 9 plus 2, 11, but retain the sign of minus. But when it comes to multiplication, minus into minus is plus, and the final answer will have the plus sign. Everybody is clear with this? This is an important rule to solve equations. Okay, so we are going to get minus 11 here is equal to, onto the other side, onto our right hand side, 5y minus 6y. How much do we get? 5y minus 6y is equal to minus 1y. Minus 1y, because for the bigger number you have minus 1y. So minus 1y, and then which is the left out number, minus 10 plus 12. Minus 10 plus 12. So how much do you get? Plus 2. It is as simple as, okay, it is as simple as 12 minus 10, 2. So plus 2. Okay, just let me clear this part for the next step. Okay, So the next step is I'll take 1y to the other side. So 2y plus 1y is equal to 2 plus 11. Now I have 2y plus 1y is equal to 3y. 2 plus 11 is equal to 13. Correct, correct. Now I'm getting the answers. It's not only 13, Bindu. Please check the answer. Now y is equal to 13 divided by 3. Now from 3, will 13 divisible? Can you divide 13 by 3? You will get some point. Okay. Now instead of getting the decimals, what we will do? We will keep this 13 by 3 fraction as it is. Okay, we will keep, yeah, you get 4.33. Instead of going for the decimal, we will keep the division as it is. The fraction number, whatever we have got, 13 by 3, we'll keep it as it is. Understood? Any doubts? Okay, copy down this question and try to solve.